These miniature car unboxing videos are absolutely exploding all over social media right now. And this Instagram page has just started and already pulled in over 13,000 followers purely by posting this one exact style of content. Some of their videos have already crossed 7.3 million, 6.2 million, and 2.2 million views. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 2 minutes. I am going to show you the totally free method to create these yourself right now. Make sure you have subscribed because we are starting immediately. The very first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT and ask it to provide you a list of famous and engaging car names, and make sure to include big, well-known brands in the prompt too. Hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will serve you an impressive list of iconic car names from some of the most recognizable brands in the world. Go through the list and pick the one that feels the most exciting and visually satisfying to watch being unboxed. Now head over to the description below and open the master prompt I have already written for you. Copy the entire prompt from start to finish, every single word of it without missing anything. Now open Google Flow and select the video option from the top. Choose OmniFlash as your video model and set the video duration to 10 seconds. Paste the full prompt directly into the field. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy your chosen car name, and paste it inside the designated vehicle section within the prompt. Once everything is sitting exactly where it needs to be, hit generate. Within just a few seconds, Google Flow will deliver your complete miniature car unboxing video right in front of you. Now watch another one I have created using the exact same method. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.